All right, what's up, Stuff Zone? You know, I don't think I've done a negative review on my channel yet. This is going to be the first negative review. Man, and I hate to leave a negative review because I really wanted to like this stuff. Minute rice. I don't know what you guys know about minute rice or regular rice, but so regular white rice takes about 15 minutes to make on the stove. Regular brown rice takes about half hour to 45 minutes to make on the stove. Minute rice, 5 minutes, okay? And that's not a lie, it actually is true. It actually is true. The only thing is, it's not good for you. It's not healthy. I started feeling really sick and I wasn't sure why. I'm thinking to myself, I'm eating all healthy stuff. I got the grass-fed beef, got the vegetables, I'm eating rice. Like that's a pretty standard, like, whew, you're trying to do it right. You go to the gym, make your food yourself. That's a staple. Okay, rice, beans, vegetables, some good protein, clean protein. Well, I mean, that's all healthy stuff. But all rice is not created equal, my friends. This is a shortcut. Now, I got it not because I was lazy about the time. Like, yeah, okay, great, you can make it in 5 minutes. But I'm thinking like, you know, if there's a hurricane or, you know, if the power goes out, how am I going to make rice in a pinch? What's the easiest way? Because I'm not about to try to light a fire and make the pot boil for 45 minutes to make some brown rice without electricity. It's a lot easier if I could just heat it up really quick and make some rice in like 5 minutes. That was my logic. But even though the logic is correct, it's not healthy to eat. Now, I will say, actually, let me get the other box because I bought two different brands here. Actually, this is the bad shit, okay? I'm sorry for throwing this brand under the bus. This is okay. I suppose this is okay. I didn't feel quite as bad. It's still bad, but it's not quite as bad. This shit right here, bro, ladies, everyone, don't eat this, okay? It's bad for you. It's bad. I felt like I was having internal bleeding after eating this, okay? I can't explain it. I don't know why. And, you know, I think it's because, let's see what's in the ingredients here. Gotta love this graphic design work that they did. Pretty minimal. But, hell if I can see that I need glasses. I'm so reluctant. What about Zoom? Pre-cooked long grain rice. Nah, there's other stuff. There's like preservatives, and there's salt, and there's sugar, and there's stuff in this that's not supposed to be. It is not a healthy option, okay? So, y'all, don't eat this. Maybe in an emergency, you can eat this. But no, thank you. And I went right back to Whole Foods and bought the like legit good brown rice, healthy rice that I made for myself last night. I said, whoa, that's so much better. So now you know, good logic in a pinch, an emergency maybe, but definitely not this ever, because you're gonna pay for it. I mean, I don't know, every person's body is different, everyone has different tolerances, but it did not agree with me. I wouldn't want anyone to have that. I'm just saying. So that's my spiel for today. If you're still watching, give this video a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't buy that stuff. There's no link in the description. Do not buy. All right, peace.